We all know by now that it's imperative to be as early as possible in this space. It is one of our perennial mantras here at Altcoin Buzz, and in a general way, we are all early to every project compared to the rest of the world. But the huge, outsized gains, the one where you can make life-changing money, are easier to achieve the earlier you are. And so today we're specifically looking at projects whose tokens are not yet live and not yet public. We have 4 projects with unreleased tokens, really covering 3 major blockchain narratives: zkEVM, Ethereum Layer 2, and modular blockchains. You pretty much can't get any earlier than this. Like I said, the tokens are not yet even in the market. Welcome to the channel. My name is Maddie, and this is Altcoin Buzz. Best of luck if you choose to invest, but just remember that I'm not a financial or investment advisor, so this video is not official financial or investment advice. We're starting off here at number 1 with Ethereum Layer 2 solutions and rollups, which are really one of the big narratives in crypto today. And that's because they relieve us of really the main issues with Ethereum: issues of price, speed, and scale of transactions. These continue to be problematic. And one of the most popular types of these solutions is zkEVM. EVM is part of the Ethereum virtual machine, and it's compatible with other networks like BNB and Polygon. And the ZK part is using zero-knowledge proofs for added security. Now, while Polygon is the leader in zkEVM tech, Taiko is an unreleased token that lets you take advantage of the trend and be early at the same time. Because instead of operating as an L2, as an EVM, it can operate its own chain and still be part of the Ethereum network. Taiko is currently on the Sepolia testnet, and its token generation event, TGE, is unknown. But the one thing that we do know is that they're setting up for an airdrop. And we outlined some of the steps in a recent video. You can check that one out if you haven't already done so. And if you like the zkEVM argument and you think it may be successful, then take a look at Taiko. It should definitely be on your radar. Altcoin Buzz Alpha would like to congratulate all of our members on a very profitable month of November 2023. During that time, Bitcoin rallied past $35,000 and is now hovering around $43,000. But on the 4th of November, we published an alpha report and mentioned these BTC targets. And because we had a clear target in mind, we planned our November strategy meticulously. And we not only achieved, but we surpassed all of our targets. Overall, we had 61% profit in BTC, 100% profit on 6 of our portfolio coins, 200% or 3x profit on our gems call, 3 to 5x profits from 4 IDOs, and $1,800 in profit on buy and sell calls. You can get access to all of this and still join Altcoin Buzz Alpha for only $15 a month. You can also get an 8% discount on yearly subscriptions. For more information, check out the link in the description below. Next, we're staying in the L2 arena, even though Taiko, it's not really an L2. But the best known project on this list of 4 today is, in fact, StarkNet. It's a fast-growing Ethereum Layer 2, also using zero-knowledge proofs. And although it's kind of beyond the scope of this video, there are 2 common types of ZK solutions that projects use. They are ZK Snarks and ZK Starks. Both are very good, and most use Snarks. Starks is generally considered better for security, and in this case, that is what StarkNet uses. StarkNet also has a rapidly growing ecosystem. This includes wallets, bridges, and even fiat on-ramps. And as you've seen here, we covered StarkNet in one of our airdrop videos. So yes, they're setting up for an airdrop as well, but no, we don't know when they're going to be delivering or even when the TGE, the token generation event, will be. And the team's also been pretty quiet on the subject. But that being said, they keep building. And it would surprise us if the airdrop does not take place sometime in the first half of next year. So Q1, Q2 2024, that's our expectation. Let me know if you're an airdrop hunter, and if you're following our airdrop series in terms of the recent videos we've put out. You definitely should be, because as I always like to say, the rewards that you get when you participate in an airdrop are vastly disproportionate with the effort that you put in. You get really a lot in terms of monetary rewards for often very little effort. The only thing is that you can't predict with 100% certainty which projects will issue airdrops, but the numbers are on your side if you cast a wide net, so to speak. So let me know what you think about airdrops in the comments below. And by the way, if you're an industrious fan of airdrops, you want to do the work, you can find out very early about them in Altcoin Buzz Alpha. Next up, and at number 3 on our list here today, we're going back to the ZK EVM theme again and looking at Scroll Network. So Scroll is a layer 2 solution for Ethereum, and its mainnet went live in October. Now, many of ETH and EVM's biggest players are actually using Scroll, including Safe and OKX wallets and the Graph. Scroll even has an NFT release coming out today, the 14th of December. It's coming out in about 6 hours from the time of this recording. And they have also yet to announce their TGE, but with their mainnet live currently, there are lots of things you can do to qualify for an airdrop. And we covered some of those airdrop possibilities a couple of months ago. Check out this video. I will link to it below, and be sure to watch that for this opportunity if you're unfamiliar with what I'm talking about. Okay, last but not least today, we're looking here at a common narrative as well, but it's kind of different versus the ZK EVM and layer 2 stuff. It's all about modular blockchains, because we expect modular chains to have explosive growth in the coming years. Unlike a linear chain that does everything, a modular chain outsources certain functions while retaining certain others. And our modular chain selection for today is Fuel Network. Fuel is an EVM that uses Ethereum for security while handling the execution layer itself. They do it roll-up style. Like the others, they have no TGE to speak of yet, at least in public, and they're likely doing an airdrop. We also covered them and various associated and corresponding tasks that you can do to qualify. Because building out a linear or monolithic chain takes so long and is so expensive, we see modular chains as one of the big trends in the future, in the near future. And you can test out and be early on one of the leading ones before they've even released their tokens right now, today. Good luck.